If you've ever looked at job listings and thought, how are people getting paid this much without going back to school for years, then you're not crazy. That question comes up a lot, especially now that remote work is so normal. The truth is, there are a lot of well-paid remote jobs that don't care where you went to school. They care that you can actually do the work. And many of those skills can be learned in 30 to 60 days if you focus on the right things. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we keep things practical. No fluff, no hype, just some realistic paths that you can actually follow to make an extra income. So in this video, I'll walk you through several remote careers that pay well, why companies pay for them, and how people realistically get started without years of experience. This isn't about overnight success. It's about getting competent fast, then improving while you're already getting paid. Why short-term skills are paying so well right now. Remote work completely changed hiring. A few years ago, companies cared a lot about resumes and credentials. Now, especially for online roles, they care about outcomes. You can write something that converts, edit videos that hold attention, build a clean website, or organize a team so that projects stop falling apart. That's valuable. Companies don't want theory. They want results. There's also a real shortage of people who can do this work reliably. Schools don't teach most of these skills, or if they do, they're already outdated by the time that students graduate. So businesses turn to freelancers, contractors, and remote hires who learned on their own. That's why the 30 to 60 day window works. You're not becoming the best in the world, you're becoming useful. Useful people get paid. Number one, copywriting and content writing. So copywriting is one of those skills that sounds mysterious until you actually do it. At its core, it's just writing clearly and convincingly. You're helping people understand why something matters and what to do next. Content writing is closely related, but instead of selling directly, you're usually educating. Blog posts, newsletters, long-form articles. The goal is trust and attention. This pays well because words drive everything online. Emails make sales. Landing pages convert traffic, blog posts bring in long-term visitors. Businesses know this, which is why good writers are always in demand. What surprises most people is how quickly this skill clicks. You're not learning grammar rules. You're learning how people think. You study headlines, openings, structure, and tone. Over time, you start to feel when something sounds right or wrong. Now, a lot of beginners use tools like Jasper or Copy.ai while learning. Not to replace thinking, but to generate drafts and ideas faster so you can focus on improving them. Editing is where you actually learn. So getting work usually starts with samples, not clients. You write example emails. You create fake landing pages. You put together a few blog posts. Once you have that, you can start pitching small businesses, creators, or agencies who just need help getting content out the door. Short-form video editing. Short-form video editing is everywhere right now, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, everyone wants to post, but very few people want to edit. That's why editors who understand pacing and attention are getting paid well. The job isn't about fancy effects. It's about knowing when to cut, when to zoom, when to add text, and when to get out of the way. What makes this skill fast to learn is feedback speed. You can edit a 30-second clip, post it, and immediately see how people respond. Did they stop watching? Did they rewatch? Did they scroll? Tools like Descript, Opus Clip, and Submagic lower the barrier even more. They help with cutting filler words, adding subtitles, and turning long videos into multiple clips. That means you can focus on storytelling instead of technical friction. Most editors start by editing their own videos or helping a creator for free. Once you can show before and after clips, finding paid works gets much easier. Podcaster, coaches, and YouTubers are constantly looking for help here. So again, tools like Opus Clip are great because again, as their headline says, you can take one long video and get 10 viral clips. All you need to do is either upload the video or the link, and you're going to go ahead and get clips from a long form video. Number 3, SEO content writing. So SEO writing is about getting content to show up on Google and stay there. Businesses love SEO because it brings in traffic without paying for ads every day. If an article ranks well, it can generate leads for years. That's why companies are willing to pay writers who understand how to structure content properly. Learning SEO isn't as technical as people think. You're mostly learning how to match search intent. What is someone actually trying to find when they type a question into Google? Tools like SEMrush help with this by showing what people search for, how competitive a topic is, and what top ranking pages look like. But the writing itself still needs to feel natural. Google rewards content that real people actually read. Beginners often start by publishing on their own site and contributing as guest posts. Once you can show that you understand structure, headings, and clarity, landing paid work becomes much easier. And a great tool for this is SEMrush. So if you want to go ahead and get started with SEMrush, we've got a link for you down in the description below where you can go ahead and get started with a free 14-day pro trial. No code website building. Website building used to require coding. Now it requires mostly just good judgment. No code tools let you build clean, professional sites without touching code. Businesses need websites constantly, for landing pages, services, portfolios, and online stores. But most owners don't want to deal with it themselves. That's where platforms like Wix, Squarespace, Webflow, and WordPress with Elementor are common because clients already trust them. Hosting providers like Hostinger or WP Engine make setup super straightforward. What you're really learning here is layout, clarity, and user flow. Where should someone click? What should they see first? Is it easy to understand? People usually start by building their own site, then a few mock sites, then offering discounted work to real businesses. Once you've built a few, confidence grows quickly, and so does rates. Number 5, social media management. Social media management is less about posting and more about consistency. Most businesses know they should be online. They just don't stick with it. That's where social media managers come in. You plan content, create posts, respond to messages, and track what's working. Over time, brands start to grow simply because someone is paying attention. The skill is fast to learn because you already use these platforms. The upgrade is strategy. Knowing what to post, how often, and why. Tools like Canva help with visuals. Something like Post Planner helps with scheduling. And ManyChat helps automate messages so brands don't miss leads. Most people start by managing their own account or helping a small business that they already know. Once you can show consistency and engagement, getting paid clients becomes much easier. Remote project management. Project managers keep things from falling apart. In remote teams, that's incredibly valuable. Someone needs to track tasks, deadlines, and communication so work actually gets done. This role pays well because it saves time and money. Missed deadlines and confusion cost businesses more than a salary ever would. Tools like ClickUp, Monday.com, and Notion make this super approachable. You're not inventing systems here. You're using ones that already exist and keeping people accountable. A lot of people move into this role naturally because they're organized and good communicators. Managing a small project is often enough experience to get started. How to learn faster without burning out. The biggest mistake people make is trying to learn everything at once. You don't need 10 tools or 5 courses. Pick one skill. Pick one main resource. Practice daily. Even an hour a day adds up fast when you're focused. The key is applying what you learn immediately. Write the email, edit the video, build the page. Don't just watch tutorials. As you practice, start saving your work. That becomes your portfolio. You don't need permission to create proof. Making the jump to paid work. So your first paid work probably won't feel glamorous, and that's okay. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr help people get started, especially when you're willing to take smaller projects at first. Reviews matter more than rates early on. Networking also plays a big role. Tell people what you're learning. Share your progress online. Opportunities often come from casual conversations, not job boards. Once you've worked with a few clients, confidence grows fast. Rates go up, work gets better. So, high-paying remote careers aren't locked behind degrees or credentials. They're built on skills that solve real problems. If you're willing to focus for 30 to 60 days, practice consistently, and start before you feel ready, you can build something real. Not overnight, but faster than most people think. The hardest part is starting. Everything after that gets easier with momentum. So if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them all down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.